Okay, guys, hey, join me today while we open up this square off over here and see why the lights flicker instead of stay bright and why it doesn't pick up the ball. I think we can fix that. Let's go. Got a square unit in and the lights are not coming on. Well, they're coming on erratically. So we're going to fire it up, see if we can get it to test out, see what's going on. And if we have to, we're going to open it up and see what's going on inside. But first, I want to see what it's doing. So let's check it right quick. The screen's right there, so you should be able to see it. I'm going to bring it up, and I'll probably have to move me around so I'm out of the way. But we are logged into his machine, and there's the number of it, 494D. That's the number of the machine we're working with. That's his number. And so we're logged in, so we're going to try it out and see if we can get it working now. Okay, so let's move me out of the way because I know I'm going to be in the way there. But let's go. Okay, we're going to go closest to the pin and go. And it should start lighting up here in a second. Let's see if it's going to light up and see if y'all can see. Can y'all see the front? Okay, here, look. See the lights? They're on. Okay, guys, y'all ready? You see the lights? You see what they're doing? Watch. You see how they flicker when I do that? That's what the problem is. So just tap it. They wiggle and flicker. See if we can fix this. Not dependable when the lights don't work. So we're going to take it apart. When you do one of these, turn it off. Okay, let me get some more light on the subject here. There we go. Camera just a second. Okay, now we're going to open it up and get inside right quick. Now, it's a 2.5 metric. Okay, 4 screws out. Now, when you lift the top off this, guys, watch. You're going to lift the top, but you got to be careful because your little Bluetooth antenna wire's right here and you don't want to break it. So don't hang on it, okay? So we got that. We're going to pull the glass out. Okay, see, glass just slides out. You put it over here on my other parts. Now, this circuit board right here is where the problem is. Okay, let me get my pointing device here. I got to be careful of that soldering iron because it's hot. Watch. You see, there's right beside that top LED right here. See it? There's terminal number 1, 2, 3, and 4 on the capacitors. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you have a unit that's flickering, you can open it up and check these by touching them with it on and see which one's causing the flickering. And then once you figure that out, then just tap a little solder on that thing and do a little solder fix on that joint. So just the way I found to do it to get them working. So the one I had a problem with was this one right here beside the LED light. And I just took my soldering iron, reached in and hit it, just a tab of heat on it and retouched the solder. Okay, now we've got all of those put back. We're going to test it and see. The best way I know to test one of these is this. We're going to put the battery in. We're going to turn it on. Okay, you see there? We're going to connect up to the gain. So I'm going to have to do a re-kick, get us back there. I have to go out, quit, yes. And then I'm going to come back in on closest to the pin. Go. It's going to try to make me connect. Okay, yeah, there it is right there. We're connecting that back up. Now, it's connected. Okay, we're connected up. You see all the red lights are on? I'm going to put the top back on. Now we're going to give it Spike's tap test. You ready? Okay, reading. Okay, see how bright the lights are? Yeah. Just one of those little solder joints. They are soldered on this board. This one doesn't have the clip ins. It has the soldered ones. But one of them was not making. I just made a good little solder. Just done a little quick solder joint on it, and it's holding tight. So we're gonna load it up and put it. See if it works. Let's try put the screen back in right quick. Now let's take this down here. Let's go over here and let's see if we can pick up a golf ball. You ready? We get the chair out of the way. Y'all can see the ball on the thing. How's that? How's that? Yes, sir. Here, let me pull this back. Okay, out, in, read. Okay, come on back. Read. There you go. I don't know, guys. I think we might have found it. It's picking up every time. Okay, let's try it. I think it's working. Light's bright, staying strong. Kicks back on every time. And it ain't blinking when you tap on it anymore. So, might be an answer. 55, no, 65. Oh, Lord, I don't know if I can get this that far. Yeah, I guess I can get close to that. Anyway. Okay, guys. You see how bright the lights are on this thing now? Watch. It seems to be picked up every ball, and Ed hadn't used the thing in quite a while, he said, because he couldn't get a reply and couldn't get it working. So this was a simple one. I ain't going to say I'm an electronics guy because I'm not, but I can fix one simple solder joint and I can tell you what's going on normally. So if you got one of these that the light's not bright, tap. The light comes and goes, then you know you got a loose circuit somewhere. And it's most likely going to those capacitors because that's what causes those to light up where they get their juice. That's what somebody told me. I'm not an electronics guy, okay? There's too many little things to work with. But if things working now like it's supposed to, I think we're going to be good. We're going to put his screws back in it. We're going to load him up and send it back home. And while we're at it, we're going to send him out a new cover to go with it to cover it up. Because he told me if I get it working, to send him a new cover with it when I return it. So, okay. Hey, guys, thank you for joining me. I told you we'd get it working, and well, we did. That's what the plan was. So, y'all be good, guys. Take care. I appreciate y'all. And I'm going to get back to doing what I got to do. I got to get orders out for today. Take care. See you later.